So we bought the house 3 years ago. It had some settling issues in the front entrance that we noticed when we bought it. Side of the house had separated and dropped from the house 8 inches to 6 on the low side, 4 up by the house. So in the 3 years that we've been here, we've noticed a bit more separation on it. And so for the last year, we've been kind of calling around trying to find someone that can come in. And we were focused more on the front entrance and the side of the house because the driveway was in pretty decent shape. But after talking with a few people and talking with Dominic here at Bellrock, we went with just replacing everything. I was good, yeah. I called Dominic and they were doing a project real close to our house.
Everybody got back to us really fast too, and our questions got answered quickly.
Yeah, Dominic came over, did an estimate, said he'd have our quote for us, and I think it was like 3 days. 3 days later, we got our quote. I had a couple questions, called Dominic, he answered the questions, no problem. And then as far as scheduling it in, looking at the contract and agreeing to it, getting scheduled to get this project done was pretty easy. So I'm a stickler for cleanly job sites, and with my trades background with BC Hydro for a number of years.
I think our house looks really beautiful, and it's added a lot of curb appeal to it. I wasn't expecting it to make that much of a difference, but it does. So I'm really happy with the overall look of it now.
Yeah, the texture is perfect. It's what I wanted, what we wanted. If it comes out the color that we picked, it's going to be perfect. Yeah, I'd recommend Bellrock.
Highly recommend. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys, started at 7 a.m. every day, pissed my neighbor off, and I'm happy with that. Having somebody say they're going to be there at 7 and being there at 7, and that's punctual and efficient.